In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix your photo booth if you run into a problem while you're at an event. I had to make this video. I see way too many people in Facebook groups or, these forums where they're like stressed out and you can tell that they're panicking. That is the worst thing you can do, right? So you're at an event, something goes wrong, do not panic. It looks so bad on you as a business owner when you can physically see somebody stressing out and panicking. So the first thing you do, guys, don't be afraid to do this, is shut the booth down, right? If you have a line of people, something's going wrong, don't be afraid to say to everyone in line, hey, please come back in 10 to 15 minutes. I have to do some maintenance really quick, but we'll be back and running. Give me some time. What you're doing here is you're putting yourself in a safe environment, right? Like it's a lot easier to troubleshoot when you don't have 10 to 15 people waiting, kind of just looking at their watch, waiting for you. And it also looks bad too, if there's a long line and that line keeps stacking up and you're just there doing stuff. So don't be afraid to do that. And I can already tell you, we've had to do this sometimes, but what we'll do is, if it's down for 15 minutes, we'll just stay an extra 30 minutes, right? It's not the end of the world. It's not like the party can't go on. And another little piece of advice here is to remember, a photo booth is it's the least important thing at a party, usually. And I know that's hard to hear, right? But it's true, think about it. The food, the DJ, right? The music, the dessert, the drinks, those are all things that are actually super important to a party. A photo booth is a luxury. It's not something that's gonna make or break an event. So with that in mind, just remain calm, shut everything down if you have to. Then when it comes to troubleshooting, go to the basics. Literally, the smallest things are usually, the smallest problems are usually the easiest ones to fix. Don't automatically assume that your printer is broken or that the software is glitched, right? I always see it. People just think of the worst. Go back to the basics. Check every little cable, right? If the printer's not working, check if there's paper, if there's ribbon. Make sure that everything is connected, because you never know. Maybe while someone's using the photo booth, someone accidentally takes the cord out of the printer and it's not connected. So go through the basics, right? Remain calm and give yourself enough time to problem solve. There's sometimes too where all you have to do is turn it off and on, right? Whether it's your printer or your iPad or your app, you have to close it and then launch it. So just remain calm. And if you want to avoid any issues, right? And if you really want to put yourself in a position to where you're doing events and there's not much to go wrong, set up the day of your event early in the morning or the day before, connect everything and make sure everything is working properly. Because if it is, there's a pretty good chance if you're just taking it from your house to the event and you've tested it at your house, things will go smoothly. And as always, if you want to get started in the photo booth rental business, go to photobooth101.com. Not only do we have the photo booths you need to get started, we have printers, backdrops, all of that, you guys. photobooth101.com. Thanks for watching. See you soon.